Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students, today we will learn the sound of her as in hat. Now we will see some of the examples. It says her as in hair. It says her as in hall. It says her as in hammer. It says her as in hand. It says her as in hanger. It says her as in hat. It says her as in heel. It says her as in hill. It says her as in hook. It says her as in horn. It says her as in horse. It says her as in hut. Initial position. It says her as in hair. Her. Hair. It says her as in hall. Her. Hall. It says her as in hammer. Her. Hammer. It says her as in hand. Her. Hand. It says her as in hanger. Her. Hanger. It says her as in hat. Her. Hat. It says her as in heel. Her. Heel. It says her as in hill. Her. Hill. It says her as in hook. Her. Hook. It says her as in horn. Her. Horn. It says her as in horse. Her. Horse. It says her as in hut. Her. Hut.